A test report may be authentic, current, and technically useful, and still answer a narrower question than the project is asking. The word conforms means that the submitted samples met the stated criterion under the stated method and conditions. It does not automatically cover every production lot, another test method, or the completed installation. Begin with the issuing body, report number, and issue date. Then confirm the sample description and model identity. A conclusion cannot be mapped reliably to a project if the tested sample is unclear. Next, identify the test method and acceptance criterion. Read the conditioning, temperature, and relative humidity. Review the individual measured results, not only the final conclusion. Without these details, a pass statement cannot be mapped reliably to a project specification. Technical approval normally requires more than one evidence level. Project requirement, submitted sample evidence, current product correspondence, order-specific evidence, and installed system verification. The project requirement defines the applicable standard, method, and acceptance limits. Submitted sample evidence shows what identified samples achieved under stated conditions. A sample report supports the requirement only where their scope can be mapped. Current product correspondence asks whether the present construction and manufacturing basis remain applicable to the tested samples. Order-specific evidence may include lot link checks or production samples when required by the project. Neither question is answered by the word conforms alone. Installed system verification asks what the completed floor, grounding path, and operating interface achieve on site. That question cannot be answered by a submitted sample report. Each evidence level answers a different question. None should be silently substituted for another. The current Judy matrix evidence set includes third-party results for submitted samples. They cover resistance, electrostatic voltage, static decay, abrasion, and selected material tests. These results are useful for preliminary evaluation. They are not installed resistance to ground or walking body voltage results. A result obtained under one national or industry method may help technical evaluation, but it does not automatically establish conformity with IEC, a NSI/ESD, a STM-EN, or another project-specified method. Before formal submission, identify the destination market and approval route. Then select the evidence that matches them. A test report should reduce uncertainty, not hide the remaining uncertainty behind the word pass. Read Judy Matrix Notes 007 at judymatrix.com. Next, if the submitted sample is acceptable, how can it remain connected to the delivered batch? Curiosity before certainty. See beyond.